Hello guys, welcome back to the Do It Right Tech channel where I take you through everything tech. And in today's video, I'm about to show you 5 ways you can use your Samsung as a pro in taking screenshots. It might sound trivial, but you don't know the conditions you're going to find yourself in and be required to use any of these. So without wasting much time, don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. Let's try to get this video to 100 likes. Let's go. When we want a screenshot, we all know volume down, power button, press it, boom, screenshot. Well, that seems boring. Well, let me show you other ways to take your screenshot. So the first thing is you can swipe down here into your quick toggle panel, swipe down, hit on edit and edit this. Then in here, you can take your screenshot icon and then bring it inside. In this example, I'm going to keep it all the way up. And so whenever you need to take a screenshot, instead of pressing 2 buttons, you can always swipe down here, swipe down, edit, hit on this, take your screenshot and put there, then hit on done. And then once you're done, whenever you want to take a screenshot, you don't have to press the 2 buttons. You can swipe down and then tap on this. Immediately, you've taken a screenshot. So there you have it, one first way of taking screenshots on your phone. Moving on. The second way you can take screenshots is by swiping your palm on the phone this way, like that, and immediately you take screenshots. If you didn't know how to activate that, let me show you how to activate it. You're going to come down here into settings and then swipe down until you get to advanced features. Once you're in advanced features, you're going to come to motions and gestures. Tap on that and you're going to toggle palm swipe to capture. Now if I have this off and I swipe on my screen this way, nothing is going to happen. But if I toggle this one on now, I swipe on my screen this way, immediately I'm going to have a screenshot captured for me. If you didn't know this way, I'm glad I was able to help you. Moving on. With the next way, we're going to be exploring a way to have the screenshot on the screen itself. You don't have to go through any extra steps later on to take your screenshot. Now, you're going to go into your Good Luck application. You're going to come into the nav star. Once you tap on it, this one actually is for people who use the button. So we're going to toggle on the button here. And then once you have your button, instead of gestures turned on, come back inside here, toggle this on, and then proceed to come into new configuration. Then in here, you're going to come down here to button layout and select add button. Then here you're going to look for the screen capture and tap on it and have it right there. Then you hit on done, and once you're done with that, you're going to save it. When you save it now, your new navigation buttons is going to have that there. So whenever you tap on this, immediately you're going to be taking a screenshot. If you're anywhere in the phone like here, you can just tap on this and then you're going to take a screenshot. So this is another way. If you didn't know it, I'm glad I was able to help you with that. Moving on to the next. The next procedure is to go back into Good Luck application, and then once we are in here, we're going to go into register. So we're going to go into register. Once you're in register, you're going to come to the back tap action. So you tap on back tap action, turn that on, and you can select, for example, double tap for an action. Double tap at the back of your phone, and then you want it to take a screenshot and share. If you want a screenshot and share, you can select this option, and then that's going to happen. So anytime you take your phone, anytime you double tap the back of your phone, 1, 2, it's going to take a screenshot and even be ready to share it. You can even use this for your screenshot activities. All right, if you didn't know this, I'm glad I'm able to help you. Now if you didn't know this, I'm glad I was able to help you. Let's move on to the last one. Now the last one, we're going to be using modes and routines, and it's very simple. What you're going to do is you're going to swipe down and go into settings, and then here you can come to modes and routines, or you can just swipe up this way and select modes and routines. Once you are in here, you're going to come into routines. We're going to create a routine. To create that routine, you're going to tap on plus, and then you're going to tap on if what. Swipe all the way down until you reach action button. Now to use this action button, you need to have routines plus installed inside your Good Luck application, and there you have it, routines plus. You're going to come inside here, select action, and then action, and then you're going to come here, that the side button is the the power button. If you want the volume button, you can select, but select whichever one you want. In this example, we're just going to select side button, which is the power button, and then we're going to say when I press and hold, then done. What do we want it to do? We can come here and select screenshot. So screenshot, that is take a screenshot. Then we can hit on save, and then we can save that like that. So whenever I'm anywhere in the screen and I hold on it, press and hold, it's going to take a screenshot. That's simple. If you didn't know any of these, let me know in the comment section. These are 5 special ways you can trigger a screen grab, even an option to screen grab and share immediately there. If you knew them, I'm glad you did. If you didn't know them, I'm glad I was able to help you identify them. So there we have it. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the post notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. Let's try to get this video to 100 likes. Thank you all once again, and see you all later. Peace out.